It all started with an idea. Talented labor combined with great effort, patience, perseverance, and experience. We like to say that our labor and our experience are the most valuable assets we have. Today, if we are able to spend more time with our families, be more certain of our health and well-being, and travel more easily around the world, all due to the benefits of machines. DENER Group produces machines with a team of 40% engineers in an integrated production campus of 1,300,000 square meters, that's 14 million square feet, prioritizing customer needs and expectations with quality and eco-friendly practices. DENER Group is the biggest manufacturer in their sector. With 50 years' experience, DENER Group has constantly improved its production capacity and product range to create the following machines that are exported to over 100 countries. Hydraulic press brake, hybrid press brake, belt and pulley electric press brakes, ball screw electric press brake, fiber laser cutting machines, plasma cutting machine, shearing machines, CNC vertical milling machines, CNC lathes, NC grinders. Summary: DENER Group's research and development team produces innovative bending and cutting machines within DENER's modern technologically integrated production facility to offer solutions that meet and exceed the needs and expectations of its customers. DENER Group, which exports more than 80% of its production, has reached a 35% annual growth rate and has a prestigious position in its sector worldwide. DENER Group, which gives importance to certification, quality after-sales service, as well as innovative new development, also aims to provide the best solutions to their customers by manufacturing machines ready for Industry 4.0. We thank all our customers who always motivate and support us through their satisfaction, but also we are grateful to the whole DENER team who works with devotion and pride every day. The future is here. Exceed your expectations. DENER Group.